This is the true story.
Of 4 strangers.
Pick to live in a house.
Work together and have their lives taped.
To find out what happens.
When people stop being polite.
And start getting real.
The
Real World Capsim Edition.
What?
Taking over our struggling company in the first round, we decided one product wasn't good enough. So we introduced a second product named Bob. Bob was going to compete in the high-tech segment. Our initial strategy was to be a cost-efficient producer in the low-tech market and be a differentiator in the high-tech market. When the first round ended, we already had to pay a visit to Big Al because of this different strategies. So round 2, we started with a new strategy. We became a broad differentiator. With our new strategy, we were able to charge a top price for both Bob and Baker. Keep the customer's ideal position, we came out of the second round profitable, and we were able to pay off Big Al with no problem.
Go.
Rounds 3 and 4 went very well. We introduced a new product in these rounds. We brought out Blue. Blue is in the high tech. Our returns on sales were very good in these rounds. We were in the top 2 both rounds. We stayed away from Big Al's loans once again. In the next coming rounds, we plan on increasing our capacity for Blue. All in all, 2 very solid rounds.
5 and 6, we maxed out in every product but Bob in round 5. So we figured Bob we had a problem with Bob because he wasn't selling units. So we changed the price of Bob, and we ended up maxing out on that one in round 6. Changing automation and increasing capacity in round 6 because we were stocking out on Baker and Blue because we've been stocking out them for a certain amount of time. And
in rounds 7 and 8, we increased the performance in all 3 products along with decreasing the size. However, we maintained the MTBF score, the price, the automation, in addition to the promo and price budgets. However, we purchased more capacity, therefore increasing the unit forecaster for Baker, Bob, and Blue. We also retired some long-term debt, and we placed a lot of money within the TQM initiatives. We were quite successful in round 7, and we had the highest balanced scorecard score of 67. Also, we had the highest asset turnover, and we have increased our stock price. God only knows what's going to happen in round 8. We plan on having the similar decisions that we did in round 7 just because of how successful we were. Hopefully, Baldwin plans on taking 2nd place overall, which we deem as a success. Some of the things Baldwin has learned throughout the Capsim experience was learning how to work together as a team. Regarding decisions, we learned that it is extremely important to project accurate sales forecasting while incorporating ending inventory. In the marketing decisions, a continual increase in the sales and promotional budgets creates high customer awareness and accessibility. When positioning our products, we learned that placing the products in the ideal position sets us apart from other competitors. Overall, it is best to create a set strategy at the beginning of the Capsim experience to organize future decisions.
No one makes me feel this way. Take it to the chorus. Come here, girl. Go ahead, be gone with it. Come to the back. Go ahead, be gone with it. Go ahead, be gone with it. Drink some.